Hey, welcome back to feralart, or welcome to feralart. How you doing? I am on a coaster kick. I got these tiles from Amazon. They're actually made to be coasters instead of being like floor tiles or wall tiles. So they don't have the rough around the edges or on the back. They're flat. And they came with, where'd they go? Here they are. They came with stick-on cork for the back. You just peel that off and stick it right on there and away you go. I bought these a long time ago and sort of left them in their box on my floor where they have been happily living rent-free for the longest time. So decided we're going to use them. So let's see. I have Artist Loft metallic cobalt blue. I have this wonderful brainchild of Cherish the Messy Painter. It is a mixture of TLP Nebula and TLP Ore. I call it Nebulor because I'm brilliant. I have golden iridescent gold fine. I have TLP emerald. And I have a mess because I'm an idiot. Ugh, God, what a pain in the ass. And I have golden fluid QNAG. So, my pillow is the regular PPG Multi-Pro 473110. I have mixed in a little bit of Blick Fluid Ultramarine Violet just so it's not so white. So let me get you down here and we will see what transpires. First, we're going to put down the metallic cobalt blue. Then our Nebulor. And then the gold. And our QNAG. And our CA this evening is some Amsterdam Titanium White, which I did a little wake up with some Australian Floetrol because it's been sitting there a while. And our little mini blower. Collect for a second. And we're gonna spin. That's good. It's just barely on there. Next. Same order, I think. Sometimes I like to change it up, but I kind of like that first one, so we're just gonna do more of the same. Might have gotten my CA too thin now. Leave. It's always something. Okay, here are our very different but very same coasters. I don't know, it's just weird. The difference in the CA is just wild to me. That was the first one. And this was, I don't even know anymore. This was the second one, I think. And the third one. And the fourth one. It's very strange. I don't know. I don't understand blooms, y'all. Evidently. But I do think they're pretty. The colors are pretty. I need to learn to not blow through to my pillow, which seems to be very difficult for me. So I do like them though. I think they're pretty. I think they'll be really pretty resined. Let's see about the sparklies. Do we have sparklies? Boy, do we ever. Hot diggity dog. You know, I guess I know that I haven't done my due diligence with blooms. I've laid off of them for so long, and then just, you know, sort of recently started playing with them again. So my blooming technique is probably a little funky, probably not the best, and definitely not the best, but Sure do got some pretties. Oh, what's that? Oh, okay. That's sticking out from underneath. Freaked me out. So yeah, I mean, it's just time. Time and practice. And of course, I won't do what I'm supposed to do and stick with it and keep beating on it until I get it beat into submission, because I get bored and I have to go do something else. So, you know, I like these. I think they're pretty. And I think that, they'll do. We'll put some resin on them and they'll be sparkly all the time. So there we go. Nice little square coasters. See you when they're dry. Here are the dried results of my little bloom coasters, in which I use the PBO-CA, the Precious Gold PBO, and I won't be doing that again. It just doesn't do real well. So anyway, I do like them. I think they turned out really pretty, but I just don't like the Gold CA. But yeah, I like them. I think it's a pretty little set of coasters. So before you go, make sure that subscribe button is pushed. Give me a thumbs up if you like these little coasters or this video. Share with your friends if you can. And leave me a comment. I'll get back to you. I promise. Have a great weekend, y'all, and I'll see you next time.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors.